Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Few days back I uploaded a makeup tutorial and all of you loved it. So again I thought of uploading a classic Indian makeup look. I know we are in a complete lockdown, but I hope this makeup tutorial won't harm anyone. And in today's video I'll be trying to create a classic Indian makeup look with little bit of modern twist. So without wasting more time, let's get started to the video. Now first I'm going to apply some moisturizer and I'm using this Bio Coconut from Bio. Here I'm using my fingertips to apply the moisturizer all over my face and also on my hands. Now moisturizer is the only thing that will help to lock your foundation for all day long, also make a smooth base. And now it's time to apply the primer, and for that I'm using this Blue Heaven face primer. I'm going to apply this with my fingertips and mostly on my T-zone, and I'm going to drag my fingers all over my face. And now I'm using this LA Girl Pro orange concealer to color correct my face, and I'm applying this on the areas where I have dark circle and dark patches. And I'm blending the shade with my fingertips first, and then I'm going to use a damp sponge like this way, and I'm going to apply this in a dabbing motion. If you have lots of dark patches on your skin, then you have to apply this kind of concealer. This will hide any kind of discrimination on your face. And now it's time to apply the foundation, and for that I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation, and I'm going to apply the foundation with the same damp sponge in a dabbing motion. First I'm going to apply this, and then I'm going to blend with the same damp sponge in a small upward stroke. And also it's a high coverage foundation, so you can build the coverage by layering it up more. And now it's time to apply the concealer, and for that I'm using this Wet n Wild photo focus concealer, and I'm going to apply this on the underneath of my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on the high points of my face like my brow bone, my eyelid, and also on my chin area and on my forehead. And for blending, again I'm using the same damp sponge, and I'm going to dab the concealer first, and then going to blend the concealer with a small circular motion. Just make sure your strokes are always upwards. Now to set all the concealer and foundation, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder, and I'm going to apply a little bit with this fluffy face brush. And I'm not gonna bake my face today, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of this powder and quickly brush it off with the same fluffy brush. And don't forget to apply this powder on your ears and on your neck. Then for contouring, I'm using this Woody Wonder from the company Sugar, and I'm going to apply this on the hollows of my cheek, and also I'm going to sharpen my jawline with the same contour shade. And here I'm using a Real Technique contour brush, and also I'm going to contour my nose with the same brush and the same shade. Now I'm using this shade from LA Colors palette, and I'm going to use this shade on the hollows of my cheek to warm up my face a little bit more. It gives you a very natural toned face. And now it's time to apply the blush. For that I'm using this Miss Claire blush in shade 34, and I'm going to apply this on the apple of my cheek, on my chin, little bit on my nose, and on my forehead to give it a natural glow. Now my face is almost done. Let's move on to the eyes, and for that first I'm going to dust off the excess product from my brows with a spoolie. And now I'm going to fill my eyebrows with the powdery shade from this palette, and this is the L'Oreal Brow Kit Genius, and my shade is medium dark. And I'm going to fill my brow gaps, and I'm going to draw the arch with a angular brow brush. And now I'm going to put my bindi, and here I'm using a dark green bindi because that matches with my outfit well. And now for my eye makeup, I'm using this Miss Claire Ultra Glow eyeshadow palette in a shade 01. First I'm going to grab this shade, this very light peachy shade, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid with this angular fluffy eyeshadow brush. And also I'm going to drag the shade through my lower waterline and keep blending to avoid any kind of harsh edges. And now I'm going to use this rust brown shade, and again I'm using the same angular fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to apply this on my upper eyelid, but this time I'm going to apply this underneath the crease line. I'm not going beyond the crease line. And also I'm going to apply the shade on my lower waterline. And now I'm using this dark brown shade, and I'm using the angular brow brush, and I'm going to create a soft wing on my eyelid like this way, as you can see in this video. Also I'm going to apply the same brown shade with the same angular brow brush on my lower waterline, but this time I am only using this on outer part of the waterline. And now I'm going to blend the dark eyeshadow on my eyelid with the same angular fluffy eyeshadow brush to avoid any kind of harsh edges. And now I'm going to apply the brown kajal from Lakme, and I'm going to apply this on my lower waterline, and also smudging the brown kajal with the same angular brush with to get the perfect smudgy finish. Now for my lips, first I'm going to fill and line my lips with the lip liner from K Beauty, and the shade is Unleash. And now I'm going to fill my lips with this Touch of Nude from Maybelline. Now for some added glow, I'm using this pink highlighter shade from the LA Colors palette, and I'm going to apply this on the high points of my face with the big fan brush. And also I'm using this on my collarbone as well. After that I'm going to curl my lashes with this Body Shop lash curler, and now it's time to apply the mascara. And for that, first I'm going to apply the lash primer, and after 2 to 3 seconds later I'm going to apply the mascara for both of my upper and lower lashes. And for that I'm using this L'Oreal Paris False Lash Superstar mascara. And now I'm going to put the jewelry, and for that I have selected this earrings, and now I'm going to put the dupatta as well, and it has the embroidery work. It's not embroidery, it's a thread work which matches with the bindi as well. And for this look I kept my hair very simple, and it's done. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share your opinion in the comment section, and subscribe my channel for more such videos.